Hey Blue Jays fans, welcome to my channel. If you are enjoying the content we are producing here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the bell to receive notifications whenever a new video is published. The Friday game between the Mets and the Toronto Blue Jays is delayed due to rain and will not start at the scheduled time. The game will begin at 8:40 p.m. The first pitch was originally scheduled for 7:10 p.m., but a severe thunderstorm warning swept the area, and the team covered the field with a tarp, instructing fans to stay in the concourse. After sweeping the Philadelphia Phillies in a 3-game series, the Mets aim to maintain their momentum against the formidable Blue Jays. The Mets have pitcher Justin Verlander, 2-2, 4.80 ERA, scheduled to face former Met Chris Bassitt, 5-4, 3.80 ERA. The Mets, 30-27, enter the weekend series 3.5 games behind the Braves for first place in the NL East. The Jays have an identical record but are 9.5 games behind the Tampa Bay Rays for first place in the AL East. Verlander is coming off a game where he gave up 6 runs over 5 innings in Colorado. Leave a like on this video to help us reach more people and bring you even better content. The subscription and the like are very important to us, as they help us to grow and to continue producing quality content for you. So don't forget to subscribe and leave your like. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.